So there's a case study where we see कि smart cities mission के under smart classrooms have been introduced and made and invested into, because of which we are seeing it is believed that this is one of the reasons why we saw 22% jump in the overall enrollment of the student rate in the schools between 2015-16 and 2023-24. This has led to improved comfort for the teachers, and preference for the smart classroom facilities has been on the rise. The digital libraries have also been developed under the same project. We are focused on core infrastructure, decent quality of life to the citizens under the smart cities mission. उसका एक component है. And under this, question arises that merely construction of smart classrooms, will it ensure the sustenance of the increase in the enrollment ratio or not? आने वाले टाइम में या फ्यूचर में will it ensure in the long term perspective कि drop out rate increase नहीं होगा? So is it merely about just the development of smart classrooms? सो ये स्मार्ट सिटीज़ की बात हो रही है. व्हाट अबाउट द एरियाज विच आर अगेन, जो लास्ट माइल कनेक्टिविटी की हम बात करते हैं, ट्राइबल रीजन लाइक द गवर्नमेंट इज कंस्ट्रक्टिंग द एकलव्य स्कूल मॉडल. वहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि जो ट्राइबल या जो पीवीटीजी सब कोटा है वो ही पूरा फुल नहीं हो पा रहा है, बिकॉज वहाँ पे भी ड्रॉप आउट रेट इज़ वेरी हाई. So merely construction of and availability and accessibility of infrastructure is also not considered sufficient to increase the enrollment ratio.